Letter number 18. Ain. Another throat letter where the sound comes from the throat. Ah. As if you're trying to express disgust, ah. Or a monster is attacking you. Ah. Ah. How would you write its name? I mean, it's like I followed by an N. Ayin. Ayin. Like I'm eyeing you. I'm eyeing you.
I'm keeping my eye on you.
It looks like a flipped number 3 or a misshapen letter E. Back when we used the Nokia phones, if we wrote Arabic text using English letters, Ain would be represented by the number 3 because they look the same, only flipped. So, how about a word? Ain, which means I, which makes sense. I mean, the letter's name, which sounds like ayin, means I too, so it figures. It figures that ayin is the first letter of the Arabic word ayin, which means I. That makes it easier to remember. How about another word? We want ayin to come in the middle this time. Sar, which means price. See how ayin connects to the letter before and the letter after? I mean, the dangling arm here, see? It connected to ra, the letter that comes after it. The upper curve here, it turned into a knot, like a filled knot, like a silhouette of some sort. How about another word? We want ayn to come at the end this time. Ma, which means with. See how the knot remains, but the dangling arm is back, or the lower curve. I prefer to call it the dangling arm. See? Okay, so practice ayn, especially the pronunciation. Do your best. Try to express disgust, or try to sound like a monster if you want. Just try to make that sound from your throat. Ayn.
His voice sounds funny.
Okay? If you have any questions, any at all, comment below. And I'll see you in the next video.